Okay, so today we have a knockoff parking heater from AliExpress. So what we have in here are instructions. Let's see if we have... Yeah, we have English in there, so that's great. And here is the heater itself. Actually, not that bad looking. Here is probably the water pump. Yeah. I think this is controller. Oh, it has a remote also. At least I think so. Fuel pump, cable ties, wiring, hose fittings. I think we have everything we need to make this work. So yeah, I fitted the unit under the coolant tank and it's pretty much in its place now. I did some hosing and stuff. And there is not much wiring to do, so one plug on the unit, one plug on the fuel pump and one plug for the water pump, and then we should be ready to go. Okay, so I got this thing to switch on, but I don't really know how to use it. Yeah, now it seems to be working. I had the coolant pump on the wrong spot on this coolant system. So the pump needs to be pushing water into the heater, not after it. I don't know what I was thinking last night, but yeah. So the heater has been running for 10 minutes now. Yeah. That's not bad actually. This is actually even more impressive. The cylinder head is almost 50 degrees now. Also the fuel consumption after 20 minutes is like a little bit over 100 milliliters or something. Yeah, so now it's like, well, let's see, minus 16 degrees. and the Webasto has been going for half an hour and it's almost 70 degrees. So works nice.